back to my channel. My name is MsTanMarie, and today I'm going to show you how to create a flawless, creaseless foundation routine. Say goodbye to those frown lines. So I saw Savannah Slayer do this technique, and I was blown away how the technique reduced the frown lines and the smile lines. So today the trick is to use the eyeshadow base. So I'm going to be using MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. The foundation that I will be using today is the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the number 380. I'm trying to use up what I have. So let's get started. I already moisturized my face. So I'm going to spray the Mario Badescu Skincare Moisturizer with green tea to help add a little hydration because it's been a while. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. I'm going to apply that around my frown lines, which is here. This is a dry beauty blender. I'm also going to use it under my eye to hide some of my bags, to deflate them, make them disappear. Just apply a little. And this is acting as a primer as well. I'm trying not to disturb where I put the eyeshadow base. So I'm going to put it right here where my pores are. I think I may have disturbed the frown line, so I'm gonna repat. So now I'm going to use my foundation, which is the Fenty 380. I'm going to use a Real Technique foundation brush to apply it because I don't want to disturb the area. So I'm just going to pat it. And I'm still patting that foundation, trying not to disturb the eyeshadow primer. Okay, I'm gonna blend it down with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. And then we're gonna continue on with our application. Frown lines have disappeared. Okay, we're gonna use the matchsticks today to contour and to highlight. We're gonna use caramel as the under eye highlight. And I'm not gonna lie, this foundation gives me a nice finish using all the things that she has to go with it. And this is one of my favorite so far besides the AJ Crimson, but I love the finish that I get. So I'm gonna let that sit. And for the contour, I'm gonna use Truffle. The only thing that I hate about the matchsticks is that they're hard to blend out. Other than that, I can work with it. It does not blend out with a beauty blender. I will have to use a contour brush, which is the Real Techniques contour brush. If you want a video on why you contour and highlight, I can do that for you. We can go more in depth on why you contour and why you highlight and what does it do to your facial features when you contour and highlight. So leave me a comment in the comment box below if that's something that you're interested in, because I know a lot of people have a lot of questions and I am here to answer. So I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush because I don't like a separation where my highlight meets my foundation. So I go back in so you won't see any separations. And this will help reduce any flashbacks you may have. So now we're going to bake. I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery flour in the color Casanova. And I'm going to use my foundation brush to set. In all the areas where I highlighted. For a contour powder shade, I'm going to use my MAC Cosmetic Color in Blunt to set the cream bronzer. And one of my favorite brushes to use is the Real Technique bronzing brush. And I'm applying it all the areas where I applied the contour stick. And just blend it down to my forehead. This makes my forehead look smaller because I have a big forehead. And for blush today, I'm not going to set this foundation. I love the way it feels without being set. I'm going to use the MAC in the color Sweet as Cocoa. Excuse my eye runs. Ink Crown Super Stay. The color will be listed below.
Damn!
So this is the final look. Let me know what you think about this application, and if you're going to try this application. It did reduce my frown lines right here by my mouth, which is a plus for me. As we're aging, you know, we have different areas that we want to work on. So that's why I was saying, if you want to know why you highlight and why you contour and how makeup makes you look younger, then check me out. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment box below, and I do thank you for watching, and have a great day.